Namaskar, Vanakkam. A very good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing?
Doing good, very good.
Are you sure at the back?
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, your Sutradhar, Neha Bhatia. And on behalf of Tanishq, I'd like to welcome our valuable customers. It's because of you we are Tanishq. And of course, members from the press, thank you so much for being here. And our esteemed dignitaries. And the lovely staff here, the lovely employees of Tanishq. Can we just have a huge round of applause? I think we are missing the energy. Come on, everybody, even at the back. Thank you. A very warm welcome to each one of you, ladies and gentlemen. You know, they say that jewelry and women have a very old and a very significant relation, isn't it? And as soon as we take the jewelry on, we start to feel very special and unique. How about ladies? Yes? Yes, totally. And especially when it is Tanishq, we start to feel even more unique. The uniqueness adds, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, when I look at all of you, I feel that we have crafted ourselves with some skills, with the talents, with the persistence to make what we are today, isn't it? Similarly, jewelry as well needs the crafting. What do you say, yes or no? How do you feel being here? Good? So today we will be seeing the crafting of it live. I think I'm quite excited because, we've been here for a couple of hours and I got to witness the crafting through the karigars and, the employees, everybody over here. And it was such a fantastic experience for me as well. I'd like to welcome each one of you at this lovely event which is known as the Crafts of India. Can we have a huge round of applause, everybody? Achha, you know what? Long back, somebody told me, Neha, whenever you go to a certain event, never clap like this. You're not going to an Oscar. You're going to Tanishq. Come on, can we have a huge round of applause, everybody? At the back. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a little about Tanishq. Tanishq has been synonymous with superior craftsmanship, exclusive designs and guaranteed product quality over the last 2 decades. Tanishq houses thousands of designs in across varied categories, from Nakashi to Kolkata Filigree, from Banarsi Kundan to Kurgi designs. We revive close to 100 different age-old art forms in jewelry. Ladies and gentlemen, and we are presenting to you with a Tanishq touch. We are one of the very few jewelers to create, manufacture and supply our own unique designs. We therefore present an event that narrates the philosophy through an immersive experience. And we have seamlessly captured the journey from concept to creation that we'll be presenting to you all in the form of a beautiful AV. So shall we begin? Everybody please settle down. Yes? Can we please have the AV?